Hello, we're on our way to the vet. Makes a change, doesn't it? And this is just going to be a quick video about why on earth we've got a Fiat 500e, because quite a few people were saying, what the hell have you changed a Kia e-Niro into a Fiat 500e for? No. So that's what the video is going to be. Yes, why we've got a Fiat 500e.
Yeah, so maybe I'll find out as well. So
it's a bit of a mystery to everyone, I think.
Go on then, explain it to everyone.
Okay,
the thing is, you got the Fiat 500 just to review it.
Well,
just to review it, because we didn't need the Fiat 500. What do we need a small car for? We have the Leaf as a second car. Then, you know, we get the Fiat 500 what? As a main car.
well,
it's so small, I don't even fit in it.
That's the thing. So, when we decided to get a Fiat 500e, we didn't have the Leaf. And we were...
Okay, but don't lie.
No, that's fine. When we decided to get the Fiat 500e, back in the Christmas video, in fact, wasn't it?
Yes.
We decided to get the Fiat 500e. We didn't have the Nissan LEAF at that point. So, we mentioned getting the Fiat 500e, and at the time it was like possibly a second car. But in the back of my mind, I always knew it was never going to be the main car, because it's ridiculous to have this as a main car. It's like, you know, why would you? It's not a family car, is it? It's a funky little second car, really. Or perfect for someone who doesn't have a family. So.
Or doesn't travel anywhere.
Or doesn't travel, yeah. Yeah, but it's nice to travel in, but on your own, you know? I think it's nice. Anyway, it's not really a review video.
So just the poor bugger on his own, traveling with his suitcases in the back and no one else traveling with him.
If you're a couple, then this is a good car, I think.
Nah, so.
I think it's a good car if you're a couple. Anyway, but the idea was that we would actually get a proper Kia e-Niro replacement as well. And then we were looking at Christmas, looking through all the different cars, all the blah blah blah, and Flaviana didn't really find a car that she liked, but I expressed my desire for the Hyundai Ioniq 5 at the time, and we didn't really make a decision. We just the only car that Flaviana actually liked was the Fiat 500e. So I put a deposit down for it, and once we got the Leaf, we were thinking that really there's no point getting this car, and at that point I was considering cancelling the reservation, especially as it was late. It was delayed by months as well.
Yeah, and that's why we got the DS as a, you know, for 1 month to have a second car, because we needed it, because this didn't arrive.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's just tell everyone that you lied in the Christmas video and you had put the deposit on the 500 even before you made the video.
Yeah, that's true, I did, yeah.
Even without consulting me. So it was all a farce. He keeps saying because I liked it, but it's not true. You decided and I went along with it. Obviously it looks nice. I'm not saying that it looks ugly, but it's a useless car, really.
But I also put a deposit. I put deposits down for a lot of cars. We've got a deposit. We had a deposit down for a Honda E. I had a deposit down for a Honda E.
I hope you can get them back.
Yeah, you can. That was refunded automatically because I didn't.
Well, I would hope so.
Yeah,
because if you're losing all these deposits.
No, of course. No, you get it back. We've got a deposit.
Please tell me on the YouTube comments if you get the deposit back, people, because I'm not sure.
Of course, you get deposits back. So the Honda E, I had a deposit down. I loved that car. The Honda E. A Cybertruck, we have a deposit down for a Cybertruck.
Good, let's get the Cybertruck and let's get it done with.
It's not out yet.
So if they shoot at me, it's anti-bullet.
Well, yeah, I think DS owners might shoot at us, to be honest. We need it just for that. The amount of people that have unsubscribed because of that video is funny. Yeah, DS owners.
Ma che DS owners? Maybe they were just bored by the video.
True, that's a possibility. Okay, so we have a I've got a reservation for the Aptera solar car as well, actually. But
what is that?
It's the car that says you can travel 1,000 miles on a solar, just with solar, you know. So I've got a deposit down for that, but you know,
cool.
Yeah, I never did a video about that. Anyway, so deposits down for lots of cars doesn't mean anything. As it was, what I really want is the Hyundai Ioniq 5. So we have a deposit down for that, and apparently it's on the boat coming to England now. So that's the big reveal, I suppose, is that we're getting one of those, hopefully.
The big reveal is that if I don't like the color of this Hyundai, then it goes back on the boat.
Well, it's...
Because you couldn't even see the color. You couldn't even see it inside. Blah, blah, blah. Allora, we're getting a car that we've never seen before.
Yeah, well, that was how we did with the Niro. We hadn't seen the e-Niro.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah, but that turned out good.
And that turned out good. And this is, you know, going to be quite a special car, I think.
I hope so.
Well, I hope
Otherwise,
so
it's another car that we're gonna have to sell as soon as it's bought.
Yes.
So tell your viewers that if they want this 500 is up for sale.
So the Fiat 500e, normally we've leased before. This is a bit scary in that we've actually bought it cash, which is a bit scary. But then, you know, we knew it was going to be a temporary car.
So you assured me that you assured me that we're not gonna lose anything, any money,
well,
on the sale. So let's see if it's true.
Yeah, we're going to see if electric cars do actually depreciate or not. It's going to be a bit of an expensive test, isn't it? But I don't think it's. I think we'll get our money back. And even if we get a bit less money, that's still less than we would have spent hiring a car.
£500 from Onto. You think we're just gonna lose £500 on the sale of this car?
I think so.
And let's see if you're right then.
Yes.
Shall we make a bet? £200 between you and me.
We're just going to lose £500. Maximum of £500.
Maximum £500. Okay. Everyone has seen that. You're gonna have to pay me the 200.
Yeah. So, what time is it for the vet? We've got 15 minutes. Okay, so that's the plan. Hyundai Ioniq 5. Are you excited about it, Danny?
No, I'm not excited about any car anymore, you know it. I'm only excited if it was...
bulletproof, like the Cybertruck.
Yes,
then you'd be excited.
Bulletproof. Because the apocalypse is coming. And I need to be prepared.
Yeah. Okay, so there we go then. That's it then. That's the reason we've got the Fiat 500e. So I don't think there's anything much to say about it, is there really? If you do want a Fiat 500e in beautiful
what about my opinion of the Fiat 500? Don't I get asked this time?
Yes, of course you do, but I was saving that for the next video. So
okay.
Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for Flaviana's opinion on the Fiat 500e. Please subscribe and press the bell icon on that.
Bye.